Hi, today we're going to see how to place an image in perspective in Photopea. So these are the images I'm going to use. So this is the billboard I want to use, and this is the banner or the image I want to place on this billboard here. So now go to filter and then select vanishing point. So here it is. And now go here, select the create plane. And now here you are going to select the place where you want to place your banner. So I'm going to select here. So you're going to create plane here. So left click here. And then I'm going to left click here. And then here. And now if you can see, you can still, for example, zoom in, left click here on the plus icon here. And then zoom in. And if I select the minus icon here and then left click, I will zoom out. And now for the hand, so you're going to move the layer. So here it is. And now let's go back to the create plane to finish our plane here. And now I'm going to left click here to create my plane. So for example, if these lines here, your plane turns red, you won't be able to create the plane. Just make sure it is blue. So I'm going just to place it here, try to adjust it. So I'm going to left click here. So here it is. And now make sure to select the move here. And I'm just going to move this one here, move it down to cover all the part here. So I'm going to leave it here. Once you're finished, just press OK. So now I'm going to select the pixels on my banner here. So right click on the banner here and then select pixels. So here it is. And now Control C to copy. So now I copied the selection here. So now I can remove this selection. So go to select, deselect. Now I'm going to hide my banner. Now I'm going to create a new layer. So click on this icon here. So this is the place where I'm going to place my banner after using vanishing point. So make sure to select it, to select the new layer created. Go to filter again and then select vanishing point. And now I'm going to place the selection I copied before. So hold the control key and then press V. So here it is. And now as you can see, I'm in the transform tool, this one here. And now I'm just going to adjust my banner here to match the billboard. So for example, I'm going to leave it here. Once you're finished, press OK. And now I'm just going to add an inner shadow to make it as if it's inside the billboard. So select the banner, left click on the effect here, and then select inner shadow. So here it is. And now you can, for example, here, control the inner shadow or the spread. And here you can control the direction. So I think I'm going to leave it here and now press OK. So here's the original banner. And now let's see the before and after. So here it is. So here it is. That's how you can place an image in perspective in Photopea. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and till next time.